Zebra and quagga mussels are invasive species introduced into the Great Lakes through ship ballast water. Since their introduction in the 1980s, these mussels have caused significant economic and ecological harm. Recent attention has focused on how they impact lake whitefish populations in the Great Lakes. Lake whitefish hold a particularly significant place in the history and culture of the Anishinaabe nations in the region. They also currently support one of the most important commercial fisheries in the Great Lakes and are a key part of local cultures. Invasive mussels filter feed on phytoplankton and algae, reducing zooplankton, which are a critical food source for larval lake whitefish. They also alter lake whitefish spawning habitat by blocking eggs from entering protective rocky crevices and reducing the oxygen levels needed for the eggs to survive. In recent years, lake whitefish populations have been declining at the same time that invasive mussels have expanded across the Great Lakes. In 2022, federal agencies, the Invasive Mussel Collaborative, and fisheries experts designed a project to evaluate whether controlling invasive mussels would improve lake whitefish spawning success at several reefs in the Great Lakes. This project is known as the Great Lakes Spawning Whitefish and Invasive Mussels Project, or SWIM for short. Over a 5-year study period, researchers will study the impact of invasive mussels on lake whitefish egg survival. In the first 2 years, they will collect baseline data on different aspects of the reef systems, including nutrients, water quality, benthic algae, densities of invasive mussels and round gobies, and lake whitefish spawning behavior, egg deposition, and egg survival. In year 3, they will start controlling invasive mussels. Control techniques being considered include smothering mussels using tarps, infusing carbon dioxide under mats, and new formulations of a mussel-specific pesticide. In years 4 and 5, researchers will monitor lake whitefish egg survival after controlling the mussels. If the results show that controlling invasive mussels helps lake whitefish eggs survive, managers could use these control techniques at other spawning reefs across the Great Lakes. Funding for this project is provided by the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative. To learn more, visit www.glc.org/work/swim.